Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw in Zoom meeting as a participant. So actually you just need to be allowed by the host to do that thing. However, that tool makes you allowed to be inside the meeting 100% by sharing and practicing in on the activity. So first you need to be sign in or sign up. It depends on whatever you have an account or not. Secondly, you need to join a meeting as a participant. So what we gotta do is to click on join and then enter your meeting ID, your personal link name, and then your name here. Then click on join, and after that you need to copy paste the invite link. Alright, so the only one who can allow you to draw in Zoom meeting as a participant is the host. So let's consider that I'm the host by starting a new meeting, and let's share a screen, documents, whiteboard, share. Then, alright, we will go into a new whiteboard, and here the host can allow you to draw in the same screen. So okay, let's consider that I'm the maths teacher and I want you to solve this to solve that. Alright, 9 plus 1. Okay, so you need to draw the answer right here. Okay, so how can the host allow you um, draw on the same screen? Uh, Alright, so he just needs to go to more details by clicking on that 3 points, and then uh, that option doesn't appear to me, and that's because I'm the only one that's on the meeting. So if there are more than two or more than only me, an option will appear right here. So that option is enable initiation for others. So he just needs to click on that option, and then and then he can allow you to write the answer right here and to write as a participant on the Zoom's meeting. Anyways, guys, that's the video. I hope you liked the video. Share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.